midPoint is an identity management and governance system. It is created by our partner, Evolveum, and it is released under Apache Software License 2.0. midPoint has a very comprehensive, very flexible. It really can do quite a lot. An identity management system like midPoint, we have some terms that are used that are important, and resources are just what you would expect. They're upstream or downstream systems that contain identities and attributes that need to be managed. So, for example, an LDAP server is a resource, or a Linux machine, or a database, or Google Apps could be a resource. And those resources can be inbound or outbound. So an inbound resource would feed into midPoint and possibly project to an outbound. Those roles are not mutually exclusive. Just because you're an outbound doesn't mean that you can't also be an inbound or vice versa. Another important component, an aspect of midPoint, is the concept of a connector. And a connector is a protocol adapter between the midPoint provisioning component and the downstream resource. Business rules do not belong inside of a connector. Connector is really just an SPI that gets implemented that you can do add, update, delete, search of objects that are in a resource. A single connector can be used across multiple resources. So, for example, the LDAP connector could be used with Active Directory, OpenLDAP, OpenDJ. Very important concept is this concept of resources and connectors.